Good morning guys. Malapit na naman ang Valentine's Day. May magbigay kaya sa akin ng flowers? I love roses. But my favorite one is the tulip. Wow. Super mahal ito guys. Happy Valentine's sa mga lovers. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love. Flowers for you, darling. Flowers for you. Happy Valentine's to all my sissies, ladies, mga dalaga, mga dalaginding. Thanks for watching.